Institute.
Yes, may I speak with Dr. Young, please?
1 second.
Today's May 11th. I'm trying to reach Dr. Young at CMHIP.
Here you go.
All right, thank you.
This is Dr. Young.
Hi, Dr. Young. Is this Dr. Scott Young?
That's he. This is he, sir.
Hi, my name's William Hayes. How are you today, sir?
Fine. How are you doing?
Very well. A friend of mine, I've been getting letters from. She asked me to give you a call. She's there and is a patient of yours.
Sure.
It's Dr. Woodick.
Sure.
Okay. And, do you, when I've gone to the family and friends, they say you guys contact people. Has she asked you to contact me?
She has asked me to contact you. She's given me permission to talk with you as well.
Oh, okay. Just curious why you may or may not have chosen to contact me. I had to reach out to contact you.
I didn't feel that I need to know anything. I feel like I'm watching her and seeing everything I need to know to draw my own conclusions.
Okay. So, she's saying that you're saying she's delusional?
Yes.
And that she's delusional because she knows people that work in Hollywood that are related to me, my son for one?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, well, he does.
Okay.
She's not delusional about that. That's a
fact. Is Oprah her medical power of attorney?
She wrote down and listed her as her medical power of attorney. Yes, she did do that.
Okay, but that's not real. That would be considered a delusion.
Well, she actually filed the paperwork and filed her to be her medical power of attorney.
Okay.
So, whether that's delusional or not, but she did do that.
That is delusional. That would be an example of delusion, believing something that's not real.
So, if you file paperwork in court, that's not real?
She also tells the patients that I'm not a doctor and that they should not trust me. She does a lot of things that are treatment interfering with other.
Dr. Scott Young goes into a bunch of fabricated statements with William Hayes and then states that I need to be on medication because of Oprah Winfrey and delusions. However, this is a way of the court duressing and trying to mandate that Oprah Gail Winfrey does not get my estate, so that way they can put me in a mental institution and they can take people's estate. That's the law and that's how they do it. So they keep trying to say she's not real. It's a delusion when you have a right to appoint whoever the hell you want. Whoever the fuck you want, whoever you want for your estate, you can appoint. It doesn't matter. You can give the Pope your stuff. You can give the church your stuff. You could give your neighbor. You could give your family. You can give Oprah Gail Winfrey your stuff if you want. It's not a delusion. Yet CMHIP was conspiring with the city actors, which you just heard, and that's Dr. Scott Young at CMHIP stating that I'm mentally ill and delusional because I gave Oprah Gail Winfrey power of medical attorney and power to my estate. Yeah. There's no delusion about that. However, that just shows conspiring, organizing, and duressing somebody in their right to their will, right to their estate. That's a major crime, Dr. Scott Young. Major. And we have it all recorded. Don't worry. Oprah does have it. Oh, and he stated that it's delusional because of my Hollywood friends. Yet he refused to look at all the pictures or call anybody or call my family. He refused to even get on to all of the things, even with my own family. My family's very rooted in Hollywood. Hell, my own cousin Stephanie Don Vito, her husband is a famous movie editor. We have a lot of famous people in our family. A lot. But he refused to do any investigations. I gave him a whole list of a lot of people, even PGA golfers are in my family. Lots of people. I could go on and on and on. And I gave the list to the judge. I gave the list to the DA and to CMHIP. And it's the state's obligation to contact Oprah and ask her if it's a delusion. It's not the state's job to say it's a delusion without doing the proper due process of calling Oprah Gail Winfrey and saying, hey, is this a delusion? And that's what the state is mandated to do. They admitted they had a medical power of attorney, and they negated on my state and federal rights to a medical power of attorney for Oprah Gail Winfrey to be notified. Whoo! Well, caught you again, CMHIP. Don't worry. You don't take people's kids, especially smart people's kids, and think that you're going to get away with it. Because I will employ every legal aspect maneuvered so that way I can catch you at every violation of the law so you can go to prison for taking my child. Oh, don't worry. It gets even better when you hear the rest of it. And it gets better to hear Dr. Susan Middleton lying